Hello everyone, we're doing a quick update here again after the weekend. We worked on Saturday and Sunday on this beautiful Mediterranean, organic inspired spa-like bathroom. What we did here was we did finish the plumbing, and this bathroom is going to have wall-mounted fixtures which are going to look beautiful with the vanity and countertops. And then also we took care of recessing this wall here, because her mirrors that she purchases actually needs to be recessed because it's actually a beautiful medicine cabinet that she's going to use for storage. So we took care of that. And then in my last video, I mentioned that we did raise up the shower head for her and her husband because they're quite tall. This is where the original shower head height was, and we raised it up to make it more comfortable for them. And we're also working on the lighted niche and finishing up the waterproofing on the shower today. So stay tuned for more updates on this beautiful renovation.